BI, an incredible tool for transforming raw data into insightful visualizations. Imagine having the ability to turn complex spreadsheets into interactive dashboards that tell a story. Power BI is designed for everyone, from beginners to seasoned analysts. First, let's explore the interface. You'll find a user-friendly layout that allows you to easily import data from various sources, whether it's Excel, SQL databases, or cloud services. Once your data is in, the magic begins. You can create stunning visuals like charts, graphs, and maps with just a few clicks. But it doesn't stop there. Power BI allows you to filter and drill down into your data, uncovering trends and patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. And with the sharing capabilities, you can collaborate with your team effortlessly. So, whether you're tracking sales, analyzing customer behavior, or monitoring performance, Power BI empowers you to make data driven decisions like never before.